Hey there, Nick. Yeah, a lot of damage reports. You can see trees down where I'm at tonight. I'm just north of Rockford and south of Rudd, right off Glass Avenue. I'm at a farm here where the tornado that we saw a bit earlier on in the show, that viewer video, that tornado ripped right through here, coming from this way, heading east through a cornfield over here. You can't see it right now, but it was quite the scene for a 14-year-old who actually happened to be home in this house at the time. He said his trampoline whipped right over the house. They lost power, and the trampoline's off in a field somewhere. We have some more debris over here. You can see the house, a little bit of damage to the house, but thankfully everyone in it was okay. The house is still standing tonight. We spoke with that 14-year-old and his sister tonight. Here's what they had to say.
My little brother was actually here by himself and called and said, a tornado just went through a house, and none of us really believed him because he's a stink like that, but he was not lying.
Honestly, I was kind of shocked. It was a lot of anxiety, but I was kind of like, I was like laughing the entire time. The first thing I did was call my mom, like, hey, there's a tornado that hit our house. And she's like, no, there isn't. You're kidding. I'm like, no, Mom, the tornado made the trampoline go away. It's not there anymore. Then I sent her a picture of the roof, and the roof's all messed up.
So they were in good spirits tonight. Thankfully, everyone made it out okay. Still a lot of damage, though. A lot of family members and friends cleaning up here at this farmstead tonight. We did drive throughout the area. We saw that path of the tornado through the cornfield there and onward through a bean field as well. And we did get a report of a hog farm that saw some damage in this area as well. But otherwise, not too significant of damage for a pretty big tornado that we saw, Nick, in that video.